Whenever there is uncertainties in the world, gold prices rise. But if you look at its past track record, you will see that gold doesn't give good returns in the long term. It only manages to beat inflation. Equity mutual funds provide a lot better returns in long term compared to gold. So from an investment perspective, whether it is physical gold or digital gold via ETFs, investing in gold is not a very good option in terms of returns. Gold is considered more of an insurance against uncertainties. During times of disaster or catastrophic global events, it is believed that gold prices will rise so much that it would be unimaginable in such situations. If you hold ETF, that is digital gold, it wouldn't be of much use. What you will actually need is physical gold. So a small amount of your investment should be in physical gold as insurance. The standard allocation recommended is 5% to 10% of your portfolio, and that too as insurance, not with the aim of getting high returns or long-term wealth creation. You wouldn't get very good returns from gold investment generally. Yes, as we discussed, in times of global uncertainties or disasters, there might be sudden spikes for a short term. However, if you look at long-term returns over a 10 years time period, you are likely to get only 6 to 8% returns from gold, which is not a decent returns by any standard. Compared to equity mutual funds, this is certainly not a good investment option. Especially if you are considering investing in gold at this point in time, please understand that gold prices have already jumped by nearly 40% in the past 1 year. So if you invest at this point in time in gold, then there is a high probability that you end up investing around the peak and might have to exit at a loss or with a very poor return. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow in the financial market, but all discussions are based on probabilities, past performance of asset class and its current price levels. Whenever there is a euphoria in the market, whether it is about equities, gold or any other asset class, a bubble is created and once the euphoria ends, prices of such assets tend to fall sharply. To sum up, if you want to invest in gold, you can allocate 5 to 10% of your portfolio either in physical gold or ETFs. Physical gold is more preferable, although buying and storing physical gold has its own hassles. On the other hand, digital gold or gold ETFs are convenient to buy and also have no storage issues, which is why gold ETFs have become so popular.